Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hey. Hi, guys. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Hello, guys. Hello, team. Hey, team. How are you doing? How are you doing, everybody? Guys, today is our third day, guys. Yes, yes, yes. Show up, show up, show up. Yeah, let's go, Prakash Tiwari. That's the spirit. Let's go. Hey, Deepa. Hey, Arushi. Hey, Pooja. Nice to see you guys. Right pumped up. Bang on time. The time right now is 10:00. Yes, 10 p.m. and we are back again. We are back again, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Harihara. Nice seeing you, man. Yes, yes, yes. Consistency, guys. That means the whole deal for whatever we are doing. In life, you can achieve anything if you're just more consistent than other people. Yeah, this is how the things work. You need not be way too talented, you need not be way too skillful. If you are consistent and dedicated, you can achieve anything, and this is what you people are doing. Nice seeing you guys. It's 10 p.m. and we have people showing up. That's really amazing, really awesome. You taking on responsibility of your life, and this is life changing, guys. That's why we said life transformation sessions, where we come in like different, where we go out like different. That is really amazing. Fine, good stuff, good stuff. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, yes, let's get started. Let's gear up for the day. There are a lot of things to be done, guys. There are a lot of mysteries to be uncovered. There are a lot of rules and principles which we need to understand if we want to lead a successful life, guys. And once you know these disciplines, once it's simple, okay, guys. It's not very big high funda things. These are basics. If you live these basics very happily, your life is going to convert automatically. Yes, guys, this is what we are talking about, and we would be getting started with a third consistent day of this life transformation session. So just a quick recap of what we spoke about yesterday, that you have to be consistent, guys, really consistent. You need to understand how your brain works, how your mind works, what the things you would not be allowed to change, right? Why change is becoming so painful. All these funda, once you understand, then automatically life becomes good, life becomes great. And then what did we speak about yesterday? A quick 3-step action plan, guys. We have to keep revisiting it, because you have to keep feeding it to your brain again and again and again. So what did we say? First thing, accept that whenever you want to do something different in life, whenever you want to change, your mind body will not allow you to do that. Having that realization. Step number 2, taking the commitment and the stand that I will be doing it, I will be doing it. And for that, the strategy. What is the strategy? Every day at the same time. That would create and open the door in your mind and body, where, like, okay, something happens every day at 10 p.m. This guy is taking great charge of his life. The brain mind starts talking internally, like, this is some awesome stuff happening. 10 p.m., miracles run through your body from head to toe, all energetic, all pumped up. This person is getting different in 10 p.m. And once you do it, slowly, slowly, your mind, your body starts accepting this reality about you. That would be so pumped up, guys. And then what did we discover? Like, okay, we need to feed positivity, we need to feed success affirmations. The negative beliefs should be kept aside. Feed the positivity, feed the positivity, get the energy, get energized. This is what we are talking about as part of yesterday's day. So keep reminding it, guys, because the moment you give up on that, the mind and the body will take over your decisions. That's where you have to keep reminding this to yourself every single day and every single day. And then a day would come when this would become easy for you. So know your future, how the life is going to be. There would be a phase till which it would be very tough, and after that life would become simple. Now this is what we have been doing. So today is our day 3 of our success affirmations, and now we need to understand and uncover some of the very key insightful things. Okay, and now let's get started. Let's start for our today day. A new learnings, new openings, new principles, new way of living a life. Yes, new ways of living a life, guys. One hell of a thing. Now, guys, those who are consistent, let me tell you, there are many people who will acquire the knowledge, but still their life will remain the same. I know that in this group also there would be many people who will acquire the knowledge, but their life will not change. Why? Because they need to apply it, implement it, make it practical. So when we are talking about the yesterday's habit installing funda, what you need to do. Basically, if you master that art, you can do anything in life. No matter how big of a thing, you can achieve that. So today also we would be uncovering some of these secrets, and like just listening it will not be helping. You have to make it practical. Once it is practical, the results which you will get is really going to be amazing, guys. Results, actions, implementations. That's when you change. Listening is just one side, applying is the other. Now today we are going to talk about the other set of things. Now what are these other things? Okay, so yesterday we spoke about this one funda, guys, right? That whatever is your environment or whatever is your surrounding, you become that kind of a person. Yes or no? Did we say that? Right? Whatever is your surrounding, we took that example, like big successful people always talking about big money, big empire, they become great. Or the other people, what we think about, we have very narrow thinking then. We are not able to think that big. So now you need to understand this fact. Your brain has the potential to think as broad as possible, but your circumstances, your situations, your surroundings is narrowing your thinking down. Okay. So now what happens is basically there are a lot of successful people, guys, who have derived these kind of equations from life. And this is one of a quote by a very successful man. And what says, you are the sum total of 5 people you surround yourself every day with. Okay, I say it again. The quote says, the very brilliant, successful people, guys. So you need to follow successful people about what their strategies are, and then you can apply success on your life. Don't be misguided. Follow the right people, you will become right. Okay, what does the quote says? You are the sum total of 5 people that you surround yourself with on a daily basis. Now, what does that mean? It means that whatever are the top 5 people whom you interact with on a very regular basis, your mindset will be becoming like them. You are the average of the thought process of the top 5 people you surround yourself with. Guys, this is really important to know. What kind of a circle we are having? What are your friends? What are your family? What people, if you're going out for work, what are the people you live every day with? Because whether you want it or not, guys, important stuff, whether you want it or not, you would eventually become like them. This is how it is going to happen. So you need to understand, if your circle is big, what does that mean? If your circle is having people who thinks big, who thinks broad, who thinks that there is lot of positivity and success in life, you can go and achieve everything whatever you want. If you have that kind of a circle, guys, let me tell you, you would eventually become that broad of a thinker. Yes, you don't have to worry much hard about it. You don't have to work that greatly worried about it. Your circumstances would define, the people who you spend your time with will define what kind of a person you will become. So if there are people with hope around you, if there are people like always, yes, let's do it. It's possible. We can do anything. Life will give us opportunity. Let's do hard work. Let's do great work. Let's conquer big things. If you have those kind of people around you, whether you want it or not, guys, let me tell you, whether you want it or not, you would start thinking big. That's how the universe works. That's how you need to understand the psychology of your brain, how it operates. And this is one of a success mantra by very successful people. You are the sum total of 5 people you spend most of your time with, you surround your time with on a regular basis. Now discuss the positive side. What about the negative side, guys? Similarly, the way positive is possible, negative is also possible. If you surround yourself with negative minded people, the people who have lost hope in life, the people who always complaining, guys, a tough habit. You would always have excuses for not doing something. Okay, there is always going to be one excuse why you didn't do it. And there are people who always find these excuses, which is because it is easy to find excuses in these days, guys. Just imagine if the circle around you is negative, always thinking like, no, it's not possible, we cannot get opportunities, we have less potential, less power, that's not our cup of tea, maybe others deserve it, that's why they will get it. Guys, you need to be serious. If you have these kind of people around yourself, or if you belong in that category who always complain, guys, life is tough. because we said your thoughts will be creating your reality. If you start believing about yourself on a regular basis, I cannot do it, I lack commitments, it's not possible for me, believe it guys, in life it will never be possible for you. It will never be, guys. Why? Because the yesterday's funda would still apply. You would try to change with a small command on your brain, but your entire mentality will be like, hey, all this is nonsense, this is not going to happen, you cannot change, you are so poor in life, how can you achieve big, how can you think to do big? Your body will not allow you to change, your mind is going to grip you badly. So you need to understand, if you are that person who is negative, if you are that person that if something goes wrong in life, then you don't try to solve the problem, you try to come up with excuses, like, okay, this was the reason, that's why it didn't happen. If you are that person, it's a problem, guys, we need to change it, because your future is going to continue the same. That's one. So if you have that, good. As part of these life transformation, we are trying to avoid negativity, feed positivity. Slowly, slowly with time, you would start changing. Good. But now you need to understand this second factor, guys. Now, what is this second factor? Not only you, the people around you, if they are negative, don't think that I think positive, let people say anything. He is my best friend. Now, how would I say something by which he will feel bad? No, no, no. I am a very good friend to him. Let him feel negative. I'll be positive, and like positivity, so much I have inside me that I will never be affected by negative thoughts around. Right? You might be thinking it like that. Let me tell you guys, it has its own consequences. Over a period of time, whether you want it or not, you would start becoming negative. And once you start becoming negative, guys, you will never be able to live your life to the fullest, you will never be able to enjoy your life to the fullest. So that's the thing which you need to understand today. You need to evaluate the circle that you are in right now. What are the people you are living by on a regular basis, interacting by on a daily basis? And if there are people who don't believe in themselves, who think that life is not going to give the opportunities, if there are such people around you, then you have to do some actions. Okay, the actions could be simple, like ask them, tell them that when they are around you, they should not talk negative, guys. Believe it, the impact that is going to have on you would be very bad, very bad. You have to take this stand, and that's where, like in life, there would be a lot of circumstances where you have to take this stand and tell to the other people, don't do it. Okay, don't do it, you have to tell it, because if you don't, you would get affected by that. And the very successful people of the world know that what needs to be done, what should not be done, and accordingly they act, and that's where they become successful. So now for today, I will be telling you people, if you have negative, very politely, very humbly, if they ever talk negativity around you, the moment they start, tell to them in a very pleasant manner, hey, hey, no, 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 you should not talk negative when you are around me. If it is not possible for you, it's fine, but just keep it shut. Start feeding positivity in that person, try to transform that person. If that person is changing, well and good. If it is not changing, maintain distance. Guys, this is serious stuff. Maintain distance from such people, because if you don't act when there is time, very slowly your mind will consume all that negativity, and it will not allow you to also do great things in life. So if you want to become successful, if you want to become powerful, you need to act very carefully. So that's the thing for today, guys. Identify if there are negative people around you, try to improve them. If not, try to maintain distance from them. Very important. If you don't do, it has consequences. Now, maintaining distance from them, guys, what is that? It's a temporary solution, right? Because you know that over a period of time they can feed in, inject that negativity, and your brain will actually become, it's a temporary solution. But what's the permanent solution? The permanent solution is like every single day feeding so much positivity, so much positivity, so much positivity, that your entire brain, your thinking will just transform to the whole new level, that negativity will not be touching you. Feed so much positivity, think so much about opportunities, know that it's possible for you, you can go achieve it, everything is in reality is possible. Think that you can find opportunities, you can transform and convert opportunities into results, you can achieve all the money, all the fame, everything from life. having these positive attitude, guys, if you are so pumped up in this kind of attitude, then there would be a time when you would reach so at the epic that the negativity would never be touching you, guys. That is important. That is really important. If you think that you are very strong, but let me tell you guys, right now your brain is still adapting, still learning new things. You know these things, right? Stones, they might be so rock solid, so hard, and on the other side there is water, gentle, it just flows. Stones very tough, very rock solid, water gentle. What happens at the like seabed or ocean bed? Continuous streaming of water. Over a period of time, the sharpness of these stones would go away, they would become as smooth. Now, gentle water can do that much to stones, smoothen the curves. Now, just imagine if you are thinking that you are way too strong, but let me tell you, negativity, it's very easy to attract, guys. You might already be knowing it. Being positive is tough because your life is going to show you situations. Trying to find that one reason why you should succeed is very tough compared to 99 reasons why you failed. And that's where 80% of the world is suffering right now. They are not able to break it because they like choosing the 99% of excuses of why they are not successful in life. And if you are unfortunately surrounded by these people, there would always be reasons like why I didn't make it possible. I remember a movie right now. There was an English movie, Go. The actor, actually the star of that movie, there was a scene which covered his father dies. He had big dreams. Okay, the actor had a big dreams. He traveled to different country for playing soccer, for playing football, and while he was doing all that, all of a sudden he got a call from his home that your father died. Now, guys, in movies, watch inspirational movies, your life is going to start changing. Now that person came back and he said one very powerful thing to his coach. He said, while I was at the airport planning to go back, what he said, life was giving me this opportunity to learn soccer, to grow in life, to become whatever I wanted. And I came from such a kind of a tough background to achieve it. Now, while I was at the airport planning to go back, a question came to me that now I have an excuse of why did you not make a successful career? I had an excuse. If people say what happened, I'll tell them a story. My father died. That's why I have to come back. I have to take care. But then I will not give excuse to life. That's what he said. I will not be giving excuse. I want to do it. No matter how painful my life circumstances be, I am not going to back down. I don't want excuses in life. That's the way of living, and that's where I will not go home. It's all sorted out there, but I will come and play because I don't want to give excuses, I don't want to give complaint in life. That's the mindset of very few people of the world, and they succeed. You would find like lot of tough circumstances happen in life, but there would be few percentage of people who will choose not to give reasons, not to give these failures the space which they breathe, but they decide no, I am not going to be stopping by failures. That's not my way of doing it. I will find that one reason why and why must I should be doing that. Be in that mindset, guys. That's where I'm saying the world around will always take this 99% of the reasons of why you didn't do it. That's where the five people around you, because it's easy to do that, easy to give excuses. You might be giving excuses, you might be giving excuses for being lazy, for not doing things. It's a problem. It's easy to do that, and it's tough to have the mindset where you break these bonds. And that's where stay away from these negative people. Do a step by step process, guys. If you're not doing it, you're in contact with them, you would start becoming negative. You will not find opportunities in life. Your career, your life start going to get down. And I'm telling you, people, right now, you are in your initial years in the industry. Initial years in the industry, guys. And this is some serious stuff. You need to understand while you are in your 20s so that you can build a long term plan. So now, what you have to do. Okay, so we just now see a comment here from somebody like how to leave negative people without hurting them. Guys, it's not about hurting them, but you have to realize that more than damaging you, it is going to damage themselves. So if you really care about them, if you really want them to not get hurted, your aim in life should be to show them that what they are thinking is going to affect them more than you. It's guaranteed, it's 100% guaranteed it is going to affect them. If you maintain distance, it will not affect you, but it will affect them. That's 100% guaranteed for them. If you want them that they don't get hurt, then tell it to them. Like, your mindset is going to spoil your life, your career, your everything. You will leave it all. Always you would find that bad reason for not doing something, and your life is even going to get miserable. And one thing, guys, you don't have ownership on others' life. You need to understand again the reality of life. You were born alone, you will die alone. Born alone, die alone. You have to go leaving everything back here. The rest of all is just a journey. In this journey, you have your friends, you have your family, you have your people around. It's your part to spread out whatever you can. Whatever you can. Give your best shot, guys. But if others are not ready to change, that is not your responsibility. You need to understand. Have this clear cut mindset. You try to just guide them, try to help them from the bottom of your heart. But if they don't want to change, do it till the time you feel no, no, no. But don't feel responsible if they are not changing, guys. This is again a success strategy, a way of living life. Because if you get affected by negative people not able to change, then you will not be able to do great things. Let me tell you, guys, out of 10 people you try to spread positive message, there is 20% people succeed. What does that mean? 80% still likes to give excuses, still like to give. That's the reality of the world, guys. You try to do your bit. That's where I started these success affirmations, where I want that out of all of these 80% of the world people, if somebody comes and connects these thoughts, they would change. The people who have hope will change, and these people would further change other people. That's what it is about. Don't dwell on them, okay? Don't dwell on them. If they get hurt, tell them that it is going to impact them more. Even if they want to do it, then it is not your responsibility. You feel like, okay, you tell them, you make them realize, you move on in life. That's how you do it. You move on in life and keep reminding them, okay, you have to change, buddy, otherwise your life is really going to be tough. And but you cannot get affected with that, guys. You came alone, you'll go alone. Rest is a journey, and you have to spread kindness. Okay, now this is what we are talking about as part of success affirmation strategy. Identify such people, take first step to make them realize that it is going to impact their lives. Make them realize, because they don't know it, they might unknowingly be thinking like that. And if they say like, okay, please help me, then comes your responsibility of how you can help them by guiding in the right way. And this pattern which we are doing, life transformation, you can suggest them the same. Okay, fine, negativity has happened, it's okay, it's fine, people give excuses, that's okay, accept that as the reality. But at any given point of time, people can change in life. And just decide every day, fixed time, feed positivity inside. It might be tough initially, but over a period of time you will change, because it's possible to rewire your brain. Lot of science has happened around it. It's possible to rewire your brain. No matter how negative people are, it's possible to change. The right strategy is required. This is what I would like to say as part of today's day. Okay, and believe it, guys, while we are talking about this stuff, okay, while we are talking about all this stuff, today was an incident, right? One of the great actor, right, Irfan Khan, it was his last day on this planet, guys. People come, people go, this will always be a journey. One of a great person, okay, and I have seen that his movies has impacted many people. Many people, the way he used to look at life, the way he used to bring his character to alive, real life characters, the scenes, everything, he used to bring things to life. And believe it, I personally know many people who were inspired and affected by his movies. And one of a great quote which he said, people like to see my work, not my face. Okay, one of a great quote, guys. People like to see my work, not my face. Now the question is, your presentation, what you are, all those is just one section. But like I said, you are born, you will move away. Rest is a journey. In this journey, what work you do will be defining you. The people would realize you by what work you did. And that's where, guys, be in a journey of spreading care, spreading kindness, of spreading love to people, of making people realize that how beautiful life is. Make that as your passion in life, guys. And for that, first you have to be positive. And the second thing comes like spreading this positivity, because, guys, believe it, the world needs it. The world needs people who think big, who thinks proud, who thinks great. The world needs people like that, who wants to feel the connection, the love, the happiness, the kindness, the beauty part of the world. Become that person, and then people would always be like, hey, that was a great person, that was a great person. I loved the life at that time because he was more bothered about others than himself. He was in his own journey of success, but what he did was he always tried to save others. Be that person, be that memory, and you would be evaluated. Like I said again, when you're on the deathbed, you would be like, have I changed? As have I helped others to change in life? They were negative people, they were not believing in themselves, but I changed their life. That will give the satisfaction. So you need to understand these things, guys. Life is tough, but you can make it count. You can make the most wonderful part of it. So take this learning for today. Step number one, identify negative people if they are around you. If they are not, well and good, but identify such people who think negative. If you are surrounded with them, then it's a high time you need to act. First thing, you make them realize that their negativity is going to spoil them first. Ask them to change. Second thing, you can say that when we are in contact, when we are in circle, you should not talk negativity because I don't want it. That's also one way of stopping them to do that, and it would help them also, you also. But even if they want to continue, maintain a bit distance. Maintain a bit distance, because right now your brain can be influenced by negative thoughts, and you are in a life transformation journey where we will feed positivity, and over a time it would generate a kind of a shield in you. You would become so rock solid. Positivity, positivity, your entire brain 100% positivity. No matter what tough life situation gets, you would find that 1% chance of success and say, hey, there is positivity thing in that. Let everybody look at the negative. No, no, not possible, not possible. You would become that optimistic in life. Yes, it's possible, guys. I see that opportunity and I will change it. Let me try. And the person who sees one slight possibility, these are the people who will change the world, because these are the people with hope. And I sincerely want all of you people to feed so much positivity, so much hope in life, that you would always find one successful reason to change the world around, to get away from the negativity, to add and contribute to the positivity, and then there would be no excuses in life. Okay, that's where we are doing these life transformation. So understand these things, how you would be affected by negative people. You know what, guys, there are strategies many successful people follow. What they do, they go on for complete 30 days news fast. These are the techniques which people have implemented, big successful people. What is this new news fast? Like, I am not going to watch news for next 30 days of my life. Why? Because on television, on this media, they always try to cover the negative aspect of the things, the fight. But believe it, guys, there is a lot of positivity in life as well, but it gets covered to very small aspect. And when you continuously feed this negativity, you are consuming that, installing that negative virus in you on a regular basis, which would start impacting you. That's the most of the worry part. So the very successful people, they know this fact of how the brain works, how the psychology can be tweaked around by your circumstances. So what they say, go in for a news fast. When you would not be consuming these negativity, at that time you would feed more positivity. These are the strategies which you can apply your life to actually become more positive person. That's what you can do, guys, and that's what I'm telling you, that these are the ways you apply it on your life, and life is going to be really beautiful, really amazing. Now, with this intention all said and done, I would like that whatever new things you listen as part of these sessions, make it practical. Identify the application areas. If you find such people, help them to improve. You would feel happy with that. If you are that person, realize that you are in a problem situation and you need to change. Understand it, make it practical. Your life is going to get whole better, whole lot of better, and people need people like you. The world needs people like you. Okay, so now let's get started with our success affirmations, day 3, the third day, where we would be feeding this positivity. Amazing feeling, guys, amazing feeling. Now let's get started. Understand these facts, make it practical. Don't complain in the end, guys. Don't say 5 years from now, pass a life where you actually feel the pain, sufferings, negativity, and then you say that, yes, in that April 2020, there was a guy, Tausif. He tried to tell us, but I ignored it. Don't give these excuses, because these 5 years will never come back to you in life, guys. It is one way direction, and you need to understand life is one way, one way, one way. And if after future, If in future your statement says, if I would have done things differently, means you're wasting your life in a bad way. So act when there is time. Understand these things when I'm telling you. Research more after this. Don't believe just on my words. Research more about it. Read about successful people, what they think, how they think. Then do some R&D. That's where we are into this 28-day journey. It would take time, guys. I'm not saying it's easy. It is going to take time, but mind changing, it's worth it. Putting and investing this time is worth it because your life is going to change to the whole new level. The way you would convert success into results in your life would be amazing. Now, let's, with this hope that we will become all good, with this hope, I'm starting our third day of success affirmations. So sit cool, sit calm, spine erect, eyes closed, and you have to breathe deep. And every word that comes, believe that all of that is true. Everything is true. Attract that positivity inside your life. You are powerful. You are amazing. You are expensive. You are great. You are born to do great things. You see opportunities. You convert them into results. Believe all these things because the more you do, we are tuning, we are changing our brain circuitry to make this our reality. Two-step process. Avoid negativity, feed positivity. This is the way by which your life is going to change. Now let's get started with our day 3. Make it practical. Don't lie down, guys. It is serious stuff. Don't lie down. It is serious, guys. The time right now is 10:30 p.m. We have spoken about it, but make it practical. Do this exercise. Think about it and let's get started. Let's get started.
I have all that I need in order to succeed.
Okay.
I am motivated.
Okay, guys, let's start. Close your eyes. Cool, calm, easy.
I have
Believe.
all that I need in order to succeed.
You have it all for succeeding in life, guys. Everything is there.
I am motivated.
You are motivated.
I am powerful.
I am powerful.
My behavior.
And guys, let me tell you, these are the affirmations which every successful person in the life has applied it someday and then their brain transformed. This is not time pass. This is not casual, guys. This is serious, life-changing stuff. Believe in that. Believe every word of it, and then you would start seeing miracles happening in your life. Opportunities being converted into results, money being attracted in your life, getting all the power, all the fame which you deserve, which you dream of. It will all happen. Let's get started. Let's get started again, again, again. Breathe cool and easy.
I have
Believe.
all that I need in order to succeed.
Yes.
I am motivated. I am powerful. My behavior is aligned with my balanced state of mind. Everything that I do serves my goals without affecting others. Each day I completely trust my intuition. I am healthy. I am beautiful. I am wise. I am made with the purpose of doing great things. I am a perfect partner for my perfect partner. I am a magnet attracting abundance in my life. Fear is just a feeling. I overcome it and I move forward. I am successful in any area of my life. I am polite and respectful with any person that I meet. I am patient. I am the only one who can stop me. Everything is good right here, right now. I trust the universe that I am doing my best, no matter the situation. I am loyal. I am at peace with myself. I respect myself, and everything that I do is meant to fulfill me. I am open-minded, and I fully take advantage of all opportunities surrounding me. All my relationships have a purpose, and they fulfill me. I choose to see all the opportunities surrounding me. Prosperity surrounds me. Prosperity fulfills me. Prosperity flows towards me and through me. I am able to do amazing things. I am worthy. I am balanced. Everything that I need comes to me at the right moment. I am powerful and present in my own life.
I am powerful. Yes.
I am more than enough.
I am enough, guys.
I am full-hearted.
Yes.
I am special.
You are special.
I am at ease with the uncontrollable things happening in my life. I am ready for any challenges.
Bring it on.
I focus on the good in any given situation.
Positivity.
I am aware of my mistakes and I learn from them.
I learn from my mistakes.
I
That's the
make
attitude.
good decisions. I am calm and relaxed in any circumstances.
Yes.
I am the creator of my own life.
Yes.
I build its foundation and I choose its content.
Yes. Accept it.
I am filled with energy and I exude happiness.
Yes, guys, accept
I am
it.
far superior to negative thoughts and low actions.
Negativity out of the way.
I am blessed with infinite talents and I use them every single day.
You are talented, you are skilled,
I
guys.
peacefully detach myself from negative people.
Detaching from negative.
I
Success
am
mantra.
inspired with new and good ideas.
Yes, you have ideas.
I am content with all my accomplishments.
Yes.
I am
Happy.
brave and I am kind.
You're brave, you're kind. Yes, guys.
I am a
Yes.
positive person and my life is filled with prosperity.
Positive
I am
prosperity.
admired and many people acknowledge my results.
Yes, the world will look up to you,
I am
guys.
blessed with health and motivation.
Yes, health, motivation. Yes.
I am indestructible.
Yeah,
I
nobody can
radiate
stop you.
beauty, charm, and grace. I am at peace with everything that happened, happens, and will happen in my life.
Always satisfied
I
with life.
am a wonderful human being.
Wonderful creation of
I
God.
am proud of everything that I've accomplished so far.
Yes, guys. Be happy.
I feel good in my own skin.
Yeah, be happy.
All the universe's beauty lies within me.
You are beautiful.
I trust myself to create an amazing life.
You will create an
I
amazing
am
life.
ambitious.
You have ambitions, yes.
I am fearless and I take risks.
Feel it,
I
guys.
accept new experiences.
Yes.
I am curious.
Tell it to yourself. Yes.
I am a learner.
I am a learner, always a learner.
I am grateful for my life.
Yes, be
I
great.
am always happy around other people.
Yes.
I profoundly love myself.
Yeah, love yourself, guys.
I am able to achieve great things in my life.
You will achieve it all.
My inner voice is always positive in any given situation.
Inner voice positivity,
I can
transformation.
do everything I set my mind to. I completely trust myself.
Yes.
I am positive.
Yes.
My life is abundant in wealth, health, and happiness.
Everything. Wealth, health,
I
and
accept
happiness.
everyone around me.
Yes.
I am a miracle.
You are a miracle.
I am powerful.
You are
I
powerful.
am limitless.
You are limitless. Keep your eyes closed, guys. Relive these words. When the tune comes, you have to keep telling it to yourself, guys. When these affirmations come, this is not just to listen, it is to feel, it is to believe. It is to believe that it is possible for you. Whatever it says, guys, these are the success mantra by which the world becomes great. This is how successful people have become what they are right now in life. You want to join the league, you want to get all your desires come true? Believe in these and you would belong in that special league of the world who defines the meaning of success. Your life is good, your life is great, your life is amazing, guys. Believe, believe, believe. Believe. Yes, you have the power. You are born special, guys. You are born special. Don't waste your time on this planet. You are born special. Convert it into results. Get all what you're looking for, and it's right there in front of you. Go get it. Yes. Okay. Believe in all that, guys. You would start loving yourself more. You would start feeling the connection with the reality. you would start feeling it more, guys. Believe in every single statement which you listen. Love yourself. This is what he's saying. I love myself. I like the way I am. And I will become better. If I'm having negativity, I will change that as well. Accept whatever you are right now. Then define what's the next stages in your life. Don't be frustrated with whatever life situation you're in right now. It is tough for everyone, but there is hope because you are still alive today. You can still make changes to your life. Make it count. Add value to your life. Believe in yourself. One of a technique which I continuously keep applying, and many successful people keep doing it. You know what? When you wake up in the morning, the first thing you do is go stand in front of the mirror and say, I love you. I really love you for whatever you are. Fine, life is getting tough on you. I feel bad about that, but it's okay. We will get over this time. I love you the way you are. Do self boosting talks, guys. Love yourself more no matter what circumstances you are in your life right now, because you need to console yourself. The world is too busy to care for you, right? They are so busy these days, but you have to take the responsibility of your life. Every day, first thing in the morning, tell positivity. I like myself. I love myself. You are doing great job. And then see how energy runs through your body, how you utilize your present day in a way to see like, okay, I would love the person who is actually doing great on a daily basis. That's what is the life which will come to each one of us. Now let's make it happen. Today was a success affirmations, was a life transformation. Day 3, I am again coming with a hope. Tomorrow, guys, it is going to be tough, but tomorrow, let's show it again. Let's do it again. Let's transform the life again. Slow and steady. Like it said, small daily improvements can change your life. Again, success mantra, guys. Small improvements but daily improvements can change your life. The way small daily negativity can ruin your life, like that, small daily but positivity can change your life around. So accept that. 3 days done. Consistency is the key, guys. Knowledge is nothing. Gone are the days where you used to say that knowledge is power, knowledge is power. Now knowledge is available for everybody. Internet has brought the world so closer that you just type your fingers, knowledge will be available to you. But now, in the current world, in the current situation you are, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is potential power. The way Tony Robbins says, knowledge is potential power. It has the power to be converted into success. So just do, knowing this is not going to help you. It might give you an insight. If you really want to change, you have to apply. You have to convert this knowledge into results by making this your daily working ways. And then you see, after 28 days, the person you will become. The world will say, when Corona happened, this guy went inside the home as a different person. And when it is coming outside, it's a powerful you. It's the brighter version of you. It's the amazing version of you. And the world will not be able to figure out how did this life transform. And that's how easy it is. Small daily improvements will make you what you are, will achieve all the success. That's what is life about. And let's make it happen. Seeing forward for looking at you tomorrow as well, guys. Let's do this stuff. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow with a hope like day 4 is even going to be a stronger version of you, a more dedicated version of you, a more committed version of you. That is me, Tausif Sheikh, signing out for the day 3 of season 2, Life Transformation. Be along with me, and the thought process would change. The mindset will change. We will start attracting the beauty and adventure that we deserve in life. This is me, Tausif Sheikh, signing off for our day 3. Have a nice whatever left of the day, and rise up tomorrow again with hope to change better, to grow more positive, and attack life to the whole new level. Bye bye. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. Thank you. Do it for yourself. You deserve life which is full of opportunities. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.